Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making unboxing for two packages that came in the mail. Here we go with the first one. So we got a Steph Curry jersey, Adidas, sewn on Golden State Warriors, sewn on 30, uh, pressed on Warriors, stitched on jog tag 2X. You got the yellow on the arms, white down the sides. Then you got 30 in yellow stitched, Curry stitched, and the NBA sign pressed. Let's try it on. Let's combo it up. This jersey is Revolution 30 jersey back when they were wearing these jerseys in NBA. So there you go. Steph Curry, Revolution 30, Mitchell and Ness snapback. Here's a twirl. That's that one. Now the next box. Oh, nice material. So we got the San Jose Sharks Mitchell and Ness hat. The Sharks in teal and black with the teal waves, teal crown, black button, black bill, black snaps, black Mitchell and Ness, gray silver under, black sweat, Mitchell and Ness, NHL logo inside. Let's try it on. Let's combo it up. matching teal San Jose Sharks jersey. Nice fit. There you go. Let's twirl. And that is my 2 unboxings for the Steph Curry Revolution 30 jersey and a San Jose Mitchell and Ness snapback. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.